If your movement violated by them China boy, no man, this now go long some man. We can't go to China go do this. Can't go to China go do this, you know. No day, you know. And so they come violate man freedom of movements and man rights, we expose them, man. Greetings, my people. This is the type of vehicle I'm driving in Jamaica. This is my bread basket, you see me? And this I do my hustle and pay my bill them and them thing there. You see it? Alright. I show you what I go on, you know. Cause I use and move and thing and see man I do some road work. I don't know who response for this. Come see some China work and thing. You see me I say? And this them put for man come out of them yard. This not safe for me, you know, with my vehicle, you know. You see me I say? This not safe for me with my vehicle. But I'm gonna show the people say my driveway and the only driveway get dig up of this. I'm gonna show you, man. My driveway only driveway get dig up of this. You know what I mean? Show you what I go on. Cause them violated man, you know. Big time, you know. See it? Them driveway a spear. See me I show you know? Them driveway a spear. No look what I go on. Just look what I go on. You know how my driveway get dig up. I'm not busy about the road works, you know. But my driveway get dig up and other people driveway get spear. So I'm just gonna see what I go on. No joke. And them people that take man for some idiot and them thing. Them just show you know. Alright. And next road up there, so I'm show you. I driveway and feel like so them can go around man and style man and take man freedom. So show you, you know. My driveway get dig up and them driveway are spear. I'm feel violated about that. Look right as so. See it? Driveway get spear. See it? Alright. Dig up man driveway. Me say me couldn't see what I go on, you know. So me couldn't see what I go on. Cause fool them take man for you know. A man there as a citizen in a place as a Jamaican them a violate man freedom of movement, you know. Yeah, lie. Big up him. If you expose them boy, can you violate man freedom of movement, you know. Dig up man yard gate and them thing then a man can't come out. You see me I say? So me have to expose them and show the government say them not the people properly. Attitude, suppose me what emergency. Suppose my mother have to link me and I have a problem to move. And that type of problem people think about them thing there. You see me I say? Nothing wrong with the road works, you know. But if you just link man and consult man can watch her. Then people can't go for them yard, me can't go in my yard. Everybody yard get everybody yard get spear. If you look on the street, everybody yard get spear, my one get dig up. And that are the problem. And that are the problem. You see me I say? Man, me have to shine line upon this to them. Remember me tell you, my freedom, my class freedom movement violated by them China boy. No man, this now go long some man. We can't go to China go do this. Can't go to China go do this, you know. No day, you know. And so they come violate man freedom of movements and man rights. We are expose them, man. We are expose them. Because we know what this them do on the road. Yeah, lie. We know what this them do on the road, you know. Nobody no business about the road work when I don't can do all that road work. Fix up a place. But consult man. Yes, them may drive coming on my yard and me can't come in. And this me have to drive one coming on my yard and vehicle spin. I said me I want to look up on my gate. You see me I say? Because you can't make one lock come out, you know. You have to make a two lock because the vehicle big. Alright, I'm showing you up so. Because I come dig up man yard gate. Me no busy about road. Government own road. But me damn yard gate for me drive out and everything and come dig it up. You see? When you come dig it up, make sure expose on you know. Cause you feel like saying I get away with this. And the world now so what I go on. No Jamaican can go to China and do this. That me I tell you now. No Jamaica. See this? See this? The spear. See them? Them thing a spear. All them driveway a spear. See me I show you now what go right down. Cause them violated man rights and move. Them violated man freedom of movement. I have to expose them. Come dig up man driveway and man can come out of them yard and them thing. Yeah. Yeah man. No joke. See? Driveway spear. As far as me I go, driveway spear. I'm gonna go back up on my base and show you how them dig up my driveway, I can't come out and me have to put some little piece of board and them things and a big vehicle man I drive. You can't make one lock. You know what I mean? For that straight me I drive in one so bad. But me I feel lock out and them thing there. See? Driveway get spare. You know what I mean? I don't know what kind of violation this. And them not get away with it. The world have to see it. Remember me telling you. The world have to see it. So the government of China violate Jamaican rights in a place. We can't talk to them and tell them say, don't do this or don't do that. So my yard gate there. See it? And this thing put a man yard gate for drive pan. I must look up on my gate because I have to power the vehicle. You know what I mean? It's very difficult to come out. And if I'm alone, how am I going to manage to come out if I buy for direct me and them things there? Big violation and violate my freedom, you know. I'm a rights and my movements, you know. I want to say this, you know. Because TVJ, CVM, whole media outbreaker for comes to this. You see me? I said, okay. Yes, I. What go on with brother? You see me? Yeah, man. See it there? So I make a world see it. Big violation. Yeah, man. We not give up. We not let that one go. You see me? I say? We not let that one go. For alright, what go on? See, man, you go pull on me your gate, I say, you know. Yeah, me people, so I feel violated. Yeah, wake up in a bright and new day, see sun a shine, and man feel violated in the place. And they got my yard gate. Yeah, we can't come out, my bread basket right there, so, and we can't come out to go make $1. Yeah, because them people are do road work and I consult people. We come back in my yard this day and we can't come in. You see me, David? I jam it past this. I almost look up all my gate as I said before. Yeah, and look how them left it and gone. Look how them left it and gone. You know what I mean? I feel violated. Big time. I want the world to see this. You see me as a people must go to more update. And if they don't fix this by a certain time today, it have to dry, you know. It have to dry just like how over here so looking at me. You know how this is going to work in front of my yard gate, you know. I don't know how this is going to work in front of my yard gate. See what my bill? I don't know how this is going to work in front of my yard gate. You know what I mean? Big violation. So I want the world to see this. I know say the government now the people and properly are the Chinese them. Whosoever them do them work MP, whosoever road works, be a big violation. As a Jamaican, we're not right, we're not attack. And we have to pay tax and them thing there. Eh? You think no Jamaican can go to China go do this? Eh? Look how them are did, man. So them are did, man, and I feel violated. So people like what we just share it out. So ones and one can see this. You know what I mean? No joke. Big up on yourself.